Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly integrate Notion with Microsoft Outlook so you can save time, stay organized, and automate your workflow without any coding. Whether you're trying to manage tasks more efficiently, automate reminders, or simply avoid switching between apps all day, this setup will make your life a lot easier. And the best part is, you can get everything running in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is head over to Zapier. If you haven't used Zapier before, it's a user-friendly platform that allows different apps to connect and communicate with each other automatically. Think of it like a bridge that passes information between Notion and Outlook behind the scenes. Go to Zapier.com and create a free account. The sign-up process is quick. Just enter your email and set a password. If you're new, don't worry. Zapier guides you through everything step by step. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Create button and click it. Then select Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow. It tells one app what to do when something happens in another app, like connecting two tools and giving them instructions. Now here's where things get really interesting. Zapier comes with built-in AI that makes the setup even easier. When prompted, just type something like Notion to Outlook. This tells Zapier that you want to create a workflow that connects these two apps and moves data between them. The AI will then generate a ready-made automation for you. It's kind of like having an assistant set everything up based on your request, so you don't have to figure out everything manually. Now, let's talk about what you can actually do with this. For example, you can automatically create Outlook calendar events whenever you add a new item in Notion, or you can send emails through Outlook when certain tasks are completed in Notion. Zapier might ask you a few questions to better understand what you want. Take your time here, and if you're unsure, that's totally fine. You can always edit or restart the workflow later. You'll also notice helpful hints and explanations in the interface, so keep an eye on those as you go. Once the automation is ready, Zapier will ask you to connect your Notion and Outlook accounts. This step is completely secure. You'll be redirected to login pages where you can safely sign in and authorize access. Just make sure you're using the correct accounts, the ones you want to use in your daily workflow. And if you're on a work computer, it's a good idea to confirm with your IT team that integrations like this are allowed. Before you finish, don't skip the test step. Zapier usually provides a test button so you can run the automation using sample data. This helps you confirm everything is working properly. If it doesn't work perfectly the first time, don't worry. Small tweaks are normal. Just double-check your trigger settings or account connections and try again. And that's it. You've now created an automated connection between Notion and Outlook that will save you time and keep everything organized. With this setup, you can focus on your actual work while automation handles the repetitive tasks in the background. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share how you're using this setup. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Summary of steps. Go to Zapier.com and create a free account. Click Create and select Zap. Use AI and type Notion to Outlook. Choose what you want to automate. Answer the setup questions. Connect your Notion and Outlook accounts. Test your automation. Turn on your Zap.